Hey, have you heard about risk management in project management?
Absolutely. It's the process of identifying, assessing, and prioritizing risks that could affect a project's success. It's crucial for project managers to have a solid risk management plan in place.
Interesting. What are the major steps in project risk management?
There are four main steps: risk identification, risk assessment, risk response planning, and risk monitoring and control. Each step is essential in managing risks effectively.
That makes sense. What are some strategies for managing risk in a project?
There are five main strategies: risk avoidance, risk mitigation, risk transfer, risk acceptance, and risk exploitation. Each strategy is used depending on the nature and impact of the risk.
Wow, I had no idea there were so many strategies. What's the main purpose of risk management?
The main purpose is to reduce the likelihood and impact of negative events that could affect a project's success. It's a proactive approach that helps project managers prepare for potential risks and have a plan in place to manage them.
Got it. Can you give me some examples of risk management in action?
Sure. For example, if a project involves working with a new technology, the project manager may identify the risk of technical failure and plan to mitigate the risk by having a backup system in place. Or, if a project involves working with a new team, the project manager may identify the risk of communication issues and plan to mitigate the risk by having regular check-ins and team-building activities.
I see. This is all very helpful. Thanks for sharing your expertise.
No problem. Remember, managing risk is essential for project success. Let's keep supporting each other in our project management journey.